Okay, and if we can see now that when this piston is up and then crankshaft is also in position, that now this line is in wrong position. Look, this situation means that now this my timing chain, it has been jumped on one teeth. Look, now this line is in little bit wrong position when it should be in that line. And now we can see that, hey, now I have this situation that timing chain has been jumped on one of these teeth. And this is bad situation because now our car's this engine is in wrong timing. And what this means, this our car's engine. Now this our engine's idle speed is maybe too high or too low, or then it rolls on up and down all time. And that kind of this kind of small timing error, one teeth, can make this difference. And of course, engine is not normal. It is like weak and not very powerful. It is like weak engine. And how we can replace that thing? It means that now if we have situation that our timing chain, it has been jumped on one teeth, then we have to replace new timing chain and then new tensioner. Tensioner is in here, in that area, this part. And then maybe we need to also replace these teeth in here. That means that we have to replace this camshaft teeth, and it is a little bit bigger job. Okay, but that means that if we can see that, hey, now this my timing position is wrong, now we can think that now my timing chain, it has been jump up in one teeth, or then this timing chain is too stretch, and it is too this long. And this stretch can be also, now if I a little bit move that my this timing, it can be also so small that it is something like that. In this kind of amount of this thing, what is couple of millimeters, this can come from that we have two stretch timing chain. And in that position, it is possible that if we purchase new timing chain, then this fix is solved. That we only need new timing chain. And then we have to go a little bit forward, that we look at what is that another camshaft's right position. And let's go to look that next. What I use again is my painting. This is this intake camshaft, this timing mark. Now I remove this one extra, this my 0 point marking away, because this is this my marking, and this marking must fit in here. Look, there's a small line in their inner area. It's very small in there, in this deep hole in there. And this means that now that line and that line, they are in same plane. And that means, and there is now, look at my dot, there is this marking in this teeth. And maybe we can look that, now we can see better that there is really marking. And this is interesting small. Good,